Hi, my name is Peter Cox. I'm the executive chef at Sear at the JW Marriott Bonnet Creek in Orlando, Florida. And today we're going to be doing the baked cabbage. So over here, we have it in all of its various stages. Cabbage is one of my favorite ingredients. I think it's very underutilized and underappreciated. And it's really nice to take something that's so humble. It's on the same menu with caviar and truffles and all of that, and just really elevate it. So what we do first, we quarter Savoy cabbage. So Savoy cabbage has a really nice texture to it. It's a little bit looser than like a green box cabbage. We then steam it and shock it. That just stops the cooking process, preserves some of the color in it. We then dry it off and we render the beef tallow down with some garlic, some thyme. We pour that over it while it's boiling, let it completely cool. Then the final product is wrapped, covered in beef tallow and seasoned, and then we finish it off on our wood fire grill over here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add this garlic to the beef tallow along with some thyme, just to fry it off and become aromatic. You don't want to go too far on it because you'll burn the garlic and then it'll become bitter, and it'll impart that bitterness to the flavor. It also has a little bit longer to cook in the oven, so don't be worried about overcooking it. I'm going to fold the foil up around it just so it doesn't make a mess everywhere. And you just season it pretty aggressively with the kosher salt, trying to get in between the layers as well. All right, you're gonna wait for that to cool down completely before you finish it. After it's cooled down completely, it's gonna look a little something like this. This is it goes back into the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes just to really finish braising it. Then we cool it back down with beef tallow. So that's going to take about 10 minutes to cook the cabbage. While we're doing that, we're going to go ahead and make the sauce that accompanies it. So this is a bacon aioli. It's made with the bacon fat from all the outlets in the hotel. We use Newski's bacon, which is a fantastic product. Normally we would throw away all of the bacon fat, but the smokiness of it and the unctuousness really lends itself to the cabbage. This is also more of an acidic sauce. It has both lemon juice and champagne vinegar in it, as well as Dijon mustard. So that was the Dijon. This is the egg yolk. Champagne vinegar. This is the lemon juice. And then this is some pureed roasted garlic. And then we have some bacon fat that is slightly warm, just so it is still liquidy, but it is at room warm but not hot, so it doesn't cook the egg yolks. You can do this with a whisk in a bowl, but a food processor, I mean, it's the easiest way. And we're going to add some 75-25 canola olive oil. Just bacon fat, only bacon fat makes it a little salty, so. All right, check to see the consistency. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to fold in on the chives. We're not going to blend them into it. Otherwise, we'd have a green sauce and little chunky bits instead of pretty pieces of chive. So the final step is to sear it and get the caramelization on it. So season it a little bit more. And then it's going to go back on the grill face down. So to finish the dish, it gets served with our bacon aioli. Just put a little bit more on top. And then we garnish with chives at the end. And there's our dish.